Here's a performance trap that catches even experienced developers. Why might Exist perform better than IN with a subquery? The answer reveals how database engines really work under the hood. The core difference is short-circuit evaluation. Exist stops immediately when it finds the first matching row because it only needs to know if at least one match exists. It returns true or false. IN, on the other hand, often evaluates the entire subquery to build a complete result set, then checks if your value appears anywhere in that list. With thousands or millions of rows, that's a massive difference. This leads to our second issue, materialization overhead. IN typically materializes the subquery results into a temporary list or hash table in memory. For large result sets, this consumes significant memory and CPU cycles just to build that structure. Exist never materializes anything. It checks row by row in a streaming fashion, so memory usage stays constant regardless of result size. Exist also enables better index usage through correlated subqueries. Since Exist evaluates row by row for the outer query, the optimizer can use indexes on the inner table for each lookup. Here's an example. Select star from customers, hair Exist subquery, select 1 from orders, hair orders.customer.id equals customers.id. That inner hair clause lets the database use an index on customer ID for every outer row. 2 final points. Exist handles nulls cleanly because it returns true or false, never null. IN with nulls in the subquery triggers 3-valued logic and can produce unexpected results. However, modern query optimizers like Postgres and MySQL often rewrite IN as exists or semi-joins automatically, so the performance gap narrows with recent database versions. Still, knowing the underlying mechanics helps you write better queries. Exist typically wins because of short-circuit evaluation, zero materialization overhead, better index usage, and simpler null handling. Master this and you'll optimize queries like a pro. Practice more SQL interview questions at interviewmentor.app. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.